We are back.
How's it feel to be back in Timbertown?
It feels great to be back in Timbertown, Jay. Friends, thanks for joining us back in Timbertown. We just got back from the Paul Bunyan show. Yes, 2 days ago. We took yesterday off, needed a little nap. But we're really getting ready to show you actually how we do all the rotations into our solar kiln, because Jay and I just don't do timber framing. We're actually making a bunch of interior projects, flooring, siding that's going to be on the inside of a house. So the wood needs to be dry. And this package actually we've had for about 3 months, and it's been air dried, been through our kiln, which is a solar kiln. So it could take a little bit longer, and we're moving a little bit fast. So we're actually going to size this stack today, and we're getting ready to take it to get finished off into a pressure kiln. And it'll take 4 days. This wood will be perfect to use for interior, cabinets, doors, flooring, anything you want to do. So that's really what we're doing. I'm going to size this stack right here. We're getting everything bundled up. We got another stack going on top. We're going to pull out our trailer. We're going to show you how we load it. And yeah, unfortunately, this is the first load, and it's 2 hours away for me to get to this kiln, but I think it's worth it, so I'm doing it.
We're still really dry on this. We need to go just extra dry is really what
dry.
We're doing,
right? It came out of my kiln, and I'm in Tennessee, so it's humid here. It came out of my kiln under 10%. When I put it back outside, everything here moves back to 14. I'm just gonna spend the money actually and put the super dry on it. One, some of this is poplar, shrinks bad. Now we've already had some shrinkage, but I think the finished kiln will do it. And really the majority, we'll show you over there. Yeah, see it way down there. Stack of hickory that we're gonna make into our kitchen cabinets. Some designer work in the floor that we're doing. So I'm taking the extra precaution because Jay and I move a little quick through projects here, and my wood doesn't dry that fast.
Cut it up.
Light it up. So that's it. And really the only reason I needed to do that is 2 guys, made our stack 2 inches too big to fit in the kiln. But
bigger's better, Dan.
Bigger is better, but it does give you a nice square edge here at the end. Look, took 2 seconds. Like I said, just that easy, make it straight. So we're gonna get the other bundles together, and we'll show you what we got going on and how our kiln works. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Trailer talk with 2 guys.
I love this thing. We got to tell the people all about it.
I do love this thing, Jay. That's why we're showing you. This is another cool piece of equipment that 2 guys has improvised. And this actually used to be a oil field pipe trailer. It was 40 feet long. I mean, the beefy suspension on this thing. All I did is cousin Patty came by, took it down to his welding shop. We recut, rebuilt the frame so that this works for us. And naturally, 2 guys, it's got to have at least 3 jobs. And today, it's actually going to be loaded up with all of the wood we're taking down to the pressure kiln. But we actually also pulled this through the forest, bring our logs down to the mill, and thirdly, we actually stack our timber frame packages on, get them out of our shop and onto the site somewhere, wherever they need to go. But this dolly trailer, which is a little different than most things, is that this thing turns. It's tight. I can actually pull it through parking lots. I can pull it through the woods. The only thing you can't do with this thing is attempt to back it up. It's almost kind of ridiculous. But you can put this pin in here, but you still better be pretty crafty when you start to go in reverse. But this thing is heavy duty, and today we're going to load it up with the final wood of the kiln. Now, we've actually shown you the whole process. I know it's over a bunch of periods of time because it's 3 months long. Jay, don't fall.
That was close, Dan.
But actually, the wood that's going on here inside the beginning of the video, you're going to see that's what we're putting in the kiln first. It's making its rotations around in our yard. Finally sized, finally going on the trailer, finally heading to the kiln. So that's what we got. It's actually a lot of work. It's a lot of rotation. It's a lot of fun, and you get a lot of material, guys.
This thing is robust like everything else, but
It's
really robust.
Jay, you know, I need to get my hammer?
No, let's get the hammer at it. Let's give it a
Beat
whack,
on it
man.
a little bit.
I know you like to hit that hammer on things.
I know. You know that thing takes a beating just by being two guys material.
Yeah.
Okay, the first stack that we've had. Come on down. Heavy. We're heavy, man. This the Tukahachi does not. I was trying to show you that. This thing is heavy. It is all hickory, my friends. For some reason we decided to put this in the first stack, so it's gonna make it a little bit harder on us. But look at that, beautiful, beautiful wood. A lot of wood, a lot of wood. Here we go. Next, I got a little bit more hickory, but there's some cedar going. But I really need to get all this poplar in there. I need it now. Honestly, I need all of this now. This is a big, big, big stack of hickory, folks. Now our forklift won't reach in, so I've got to put these in and we're going to slide it into place. There you go, there you go, there you go. Take it as far as you can. Okay. Perfect. Building made it. One more run, bro. Pick it up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, let it have it. Tips down, tips down. Breaking boards. Okay, we're putting in the last batch. We kind of have a mixed batch. A little bit of oak on the bottom, bunch of poplar, and a little bit of Tennessee black cherry. Hopefully we can get her all in there. But there we go. Solar kiln rotation. Turbocharged. All right, we got poor Jay loading blocks here on top just to keep weight. But we have got our solar kiln chock full, ready for another cook. We've got oak in here, cedar in here, hickory flooring in here. We actually have some Tennessee cherry sitting up here, which I'm excited to work with. So we're gonna close it down, heat her up, de-sterilize, and cook some wood. Now, we're going back to the mill because we need a fresh pile for next month. All right, so we're actually putting the next stack, which Jay has got perfect. You've got it perfect, bro. Yes. So here we have that stack of hickory going on top of this stack of poplar, and this whole thing is going to be going to the pressure kiln. It almost has to go that way an inch, unless we're really tight, naturally. Two guys made it tight. We gotta come this way an inch, buddy. Which is not easy. Little more, bro, little more. One more twist. One more. It doesn't want to stay, you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna
just very quick. All right, there we go. Shoot, there it is. There it is. There it is. That is. Hang on, let me check your blocks. You got to come back to me.
What's that?
You got to bring the whole stack to me. This is more like a dance.
How we looking?
Come on. Right there, bud.
Okay.
There you go. Let me check. Good enough. So there we go. So we'll show you, we're gonna unload this whole giant stack up onto our log trailer. And in a few days, this thing's gonna be heading out towards Knoxville. We'll show you. That went smoother than it could have. Thank God we don't have to restack that pile. It's not that heavy, Jay. That's a heck of a stack of wood we got going on. It's all strapped together. Jay looks a little nervous. You're looking a little nervous, buddy. You got plenty of room. It's a big stack. Hickory's not light, guys. Yep. That's how slow it is. Yep, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down.
Okay, that's a little heavy.
All right, we're gonna move off. I don't know. How do you think the kiln guy's gonna feel?
I think I need to get this on a totally flat surface so I can get
You see, guys, not everything goes smooth. The two guys, we almost had a little Tukahachi roll here. All right, I'm gonna have to switch the trailer around, get him off this downhill, because as usual, yeah, we pushing the limits of everything we got.
That was close, Dan.
It was close, Jay. I actually thought you were rolling this time, just like back down the other hill.
I thought it was too, but I'm like...
I was trying to get it all on video. We'll get better views.
Yeah, but next time I'll roll it.
Sorry, Pat.
Oh, man.
It's just a little this way. Your fork here, which you probably can't see, should be, it's right here, but
Does that look right?
you probably want to be a little, right, we're trying this from a different angle. We're gonna actually use gravity. I don't think you made it anywhere, buddy. You got further away.
Back it up.
Yep. Don't try this at home, kids. Looks a lot better, Jay. Still, when you come up, you got to go this way. Yes. Yes.
Is it us?
It's us, buddy.
All right, here we go.
I'm kind of using gravity the other way. Instead of going downhill, we've got it forced uphill.
Am I high enough?
Buddy, I don't think you can see me.
What?
We got to come this way a lot. Twist, twist. Yes.
Keep rocking.
Keep coming. Give me a twist, twist this way. Hold, hold. All right, I got to move this truck, so hang on. Stay where you're at. Don't move.
I'm straightening it out.
You are. I'm gonna take him in the truck with me.
Yeah, I'll try to signal you.
A little crazy here, guys.
Whoop. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit. All right, let's try that. How's that looking?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Hey, push the whole thing to me just a little bit.
Okay.
That's it. Boom. Holy smokes, guys. That's a stack of wood. Not the best filming job, but we didn't have any safety crew here with us. All right. This is getting ready to go to the kiln. Hopefully he has a bigger forklift than we do.
That's beautiful.
Jay, good job, Jay. That's why I don't get in that thing. It's like a Humpty Dumpty. It could dump on you.
That thing is crazy.
We
That
figured.
was, though, going uphill. That was a great idea.
Sorry, Jay. Sometimes I gotta crash something to figure something out.
Hey, man, we learned fast, though.
That's a stack. All right, guys. Off to the kiln. Thanks for watching. What about you, Jay? You thanks for what? You're just taking pictures of his stack. He's just happy with his stack. See ya.